Work is ongoing in this house, and since morning I've not even rested. Like 2 days now I've not rested because of the ongoing work. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll finish everything today so that I'll show you guys the updated version of the work. Okay, good morning, welcome to the vlog. I've not personally been able to show you guys how I make masa, right? So I'll just take you guys like all the processes of making masa today. Like, if you don't know, masa is one of the northern food, you all guys understand. And in the spirit of vlogging, you guys know that I've been keeping updated with my vlogging. And the beautiful part of my vlog these days is I don't pile up vlogs again. Once I don't film them, I upload it immediately so you guys to be seeing back to back. That's what I just actually want. I don't want this situation whereby I will not keep vlog of 6 months and be uploading it now. You guys get. So I've been able to soak my rice because you're supposed to use, there's this particular rice called shinkafa rice that you can use, but right now I don't have that particular rice in the house, so I used my normal rice, and I've soaked that rice from yesterday. So the rice has actually stayed for 24 hours, if not more, right? So right now I'll just go to the kitchen and carry you guys in the process of making this masa with me, and I believe that you guys are definitely going to like this vlog. So let's just go. Work is ongoing in my house, can you guys see? But let's leave it for another day anyways. I'll show you guys once all the work is done. Right now, guys, here's the rice. Here's the soaked rice, and this thing done soft. Like I said, it's over 24 hours. See, you can see it here. So if you use your hand to like squash it like this, you can see it. So here is it. So I'm just going to wash this, and then I'm going to transfer it into a blender. Now, if you want this thing to come out very well, another thing you need to do is we're going to parboil some part of this rice. We'll parboil it now. So sorry. I'm parboiling some part of the rice, but guys, it is optional, right? If you don't want to parboil it, it's fine. But I love parboiling some part of it and adding it to the one that is not parboiled that I've already blended, so that it will bring out this I don't know how to like put it, like you will see the difference definitely. So I'm parboiling, so I'll go ahead and blend this particular one and then enjoy. Nigerian NEPA. I just took lights. This light you're seeing, guys, right now, it's a solar light. This one is no longer the number Nigerian light. So we'll go and grind this outside, and then I'll just add up this cooked one because we cannot wait for it. So I'll just add it up like that, even if it's just parboiled, even if it's some small centimeter. I'll just add it up, then we'll go outside to go and grind it. And then once we are done doing the puree, I will get back to you guys and show you guys. Then show you guys as well what we are going to be adding before we start. So guys, they just got light again and I'm back to blending. This snapper people, they cannot, and they even allow me to carry my cooked rice when it was not time. So we'll blend this one first. love it not too smooth and not too zaga zaga zaga. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say anyways. But let's turn this and see. We have our yeast here, and then we have milk as well. So I'll first of all add this yeast to it so that it can actually rise. It's optional. If you want to add milk before you add yeast, fine, but me, I like adding yeast. Once it's done rising, then I can go ahead and add my milk to it. So this is the consistency we are looking for. So I have to cover it and let it sit for about 30 to 1 hour, depending. Once it is done rising, then we can come and continue. Okay. Give me sugar. Very salt. Just a pinch of salt. I'm done. I've even eaten self. The thing is, I was not even able to talk to you guys or show you guys the end product because the work that they're doing in the sitting room is so much, and I just have to keep an eye everywhere. So the painter is here as well. We're doing some painting, and I'll see you guys later. I just need to keep my camera. I don't want any mistake to happen, and this camera just something just happened to it. Somebody hit something or something. Let me just pack everything. Okay. I woke up this morning and I'm very angry. Like I'm super hungry because I went to, let me attach my mic. I've attached the mic. Anyways, I woke up this morning and I'm very angry. Like I'm super angry because I went to Dede's room and one of my most expensive mirror that I got just got broken. Like broken to the point that I can't even amend it. And honestly, I've been pissed off. I've been sad. And it is not Destiny that actually broke the mirror because we have the painter guy. If you guys do not know, we're doing some 1 or 2 changes and then touching some paint where like the paint needs to be touched every single place. So we have a painter guy that is actually painting that Dede's room too. So what really happened was I have my mirror hanged here and I bought that mirror very expensive, honestly, because I love the design of that mirror and I was planning to use that mirror as a decor like once I get my dressing table, because my dressing table, this particular one that I have here, is bad. So I'm planning to replace it, but the prices I've been hearing are outrageous. And I just told myself that let me just take it one step at a time. So the plan was let me just keep the mirror there and then pending till when I get a dressing table, then I do my design that I wanted to do. I didn't know that the painter's guy, when he came to remove my own curtains, because even as I'm talking to you guys now, my own curtains, they are just everywhere here, like he has not even fixed them back. When he came to remove my own curtains, he removed the mirror. Now, instead of dropping the mirror on my own bed, he took it to Destiny's room. He took it to Destiny's room, and the curtain rails, because the curtain in our own room here, which is the normal curtain that you guys have been seeing in my vlog, we removed it and we moved it to Destiny's own side. Then we brought out the black one here, which is the one we are using in our sitting room. Then we have a curtain blinds, and of which I'm going to be showing you guys once everything is ready, because I don't just want to be doing like one half. That's why I just actually did some clip. I believe you guys must have seen some clips of people walking in the house. I didn't know that he took the mirror from my own room. He didn't see any mirror to take. He didn't even take this old one that is here. He took the mirror to Destiny's bed. And the place he went to place it was very close to the edge of the bed. Now, the curtain rails that was hanged in Destiny's room fell off yesterday night when we were even sleeping. We didn't even know. I noticed it this morning because Destiny, immediately she noticed it, she have to run to come and call me so that I don't start blaming her that she's the one, because she was already scared. Because myself and Destiny, we slept in this particular room, which is my own room, since Hobby is not around. And we knew that most of the things that we've been changing, we've just been piling it up in that room before we can do whatever we want to do with it once we are done. You understand? To also free up spaces there. You get. And I didn't know that he took it to that place and the curtain rail fell on it and pieces the mirror. Like, it pieces the mirror that I can't even amend it, because how do I even start amending it? And I'm so sad. Like, since morning, I have my tabs here. I have people I'm supposed to do classes for. I have some things I've written down in my tab here. I can't even do anything. I brought out my camera so that I can film a YouTube video, the one I want to upload on my Life of Vibe with Sonia. I mean, Vibe with Sonia channel. I can't. Like, I'm so pissed off. I can't even make call. I can't even do anything. Like, I've not eaten since morning. I've just been here feeling so sad, because I don't know if you guys understand the depth of when you really, really love something and that something is just being taken away from you just like that. I have to call the cutting guy. I have to start raking for the cutting guy. Why did you hang this thing and you didn't hang it very? Because you were paid to hang this thing. You said you were hanging a professional way, because the same person that hangs the curtain is the same person that did the window blinds. What happened? The curtain, this thing got broken. How come did it get broken? If you felt that it was not okay, why didn't you use? I don't even know. Like, I'm just so angry. Now, the mirror and the painting guy, like, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know what. I'm just so pissed off. And I'm, child God, how do people just keep, like, every vibes I have for filming and everything, because I baited this morning. I even every vibe just died. Like, they just it was just more like they just killed my day for today. Honestly, you cannot be spending and then be now getting other expenses. And I knew how I was able. Like, it took me time to convince my husband to get that mirror for me. Like, when I told him that my mirror got broken this morning, I started crying, honestly, because it took me time for me to tell him to get me that mirror. It took me time. We have never in this house bought mirror of that particular amount. It took me time for me to convince him, and just like that, my mirror is just shattered. It's just shattered. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next in my I don't know if I will be ending this vlog here or this vlog will continue, because honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I don't just even know how to express myself. I feel like just flinging all of them out of the day. Like, they should just leave. Let me just stay alone. I feel like I should just stop the painting job, because I don't understand. Guys, I'll see you guys later.